Hi, my name is Dollface Heaven, and today you guys are going to be my angels today. We're going to start this makeup look by jumping into Revlon Rose Glow Primer. This is my favorite primer. I haven't experimented with much of different primers, maybe an e.l.f., but this primer specifically, it doesn't break my face out, it moisturizes my skin, and it also protects my skin from all of the makeup that I'm going to be putting on. Now we're going to be jumping into my eyebrows. I like to brush them up so I can get my natural shape of my eyebrows, and then I'm just going to use a black eyeshadow. In the process of me doing my eyebrows may be looking totally crazy, but the end result of when I put my foundation on, it's all gonna look very good. So watch if you want to see me get my eyebrows snatched and sleek. To clean my eyebrows up, I'm going to be using the Milani Concealer Plus Perfect in the color 155 Cool Sand. I also like to use a nice flat brush so that I can get the shape of my eyebrows perfect. I'm also going to use that same concealer to prime my eyelids for the base for my eyeshadow. The palette I'm going to be using today is the Tropical palette by Do Color.
Cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. But that's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Oh, I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug.
Now we're going to be cutting my crease. I'm going to be using Revlon Color Stay to cut my crease. I will put all the colors and all the links to everything that I use down below in the bio. And I'm also going to be using a flat brush to cut my crease to get a nice, sharp, clean shape to my eyelid. Everybody has different eye shapes. I have hooded eyes, so I go above my actual eyelid.
Like, why were you acting suspiciously? You said that you needed some room to breathe, and all I ever wanted was your honesty. I just don't know what to believe. Just don't lie to
I'm going to go ahead and put on eyelashes off camera. I use the IMV 3D collection eyelashes by Kiss. I will go ahead and put everything that I use down below so you can go check out those eyelashes as well. And I'm going to use Tarte foundation. Tarte is actually one of the foundations that I ever bought that actually works for me and matches my skin tone really well, and that is full coverage. I know y'all see that foundation. That foundation looks so smooth and so good on my skin. That is what I'm talking about. This foundation is so good. Alright, what you're about to see me do is finally fix my eyebrows. That was so satisfying. Yes, so that is what I was talking about, that we were going to clean our eyebrows up. I just took my Eco Tools brush and went straight down the middle to take any excess eyeshadow off. Then I just take my spoolie and fade out the front. Another product from Tarte that I love is their concealer. This concealer is a bomb as well. Tarte is thebomb.com. Get into it, sis. Get into it. I'm going to be using the Milani setting powder. I don't really bake, I just press my e.l.f. brush into the setting powder, then press it into the spots of wherever I conceal it. To contour, I'm going to be using a bronzer by CoverGirl Queen. This is a really good bronzer, and I love CoverGirl Queen products. I love all the products that I am using. They are really good. Now we need some blush. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris blush. I'm going to go back into that tropical palette, and I'm going to get a nice hot pink to put underneath my eyes. I'm going to be putting gold in the corner of my eyes. This was not from the tropical palette. It was from another palette that I couldn't find the name to. It didn't have a name on it, but you can use anything to put in the corner of your eye. I'm going to be taking Maybelline Liquid Matte and putting that all over my lips. Thank you guys for watching and for being my angels. Comment down below, like and comment and subscribe, and I would love to hear some feedback from you guys and tell me how this video was. I hope it was fun to watch as it was to me. Thank you.